we're continuing our worksheet right now, and I'm just coloring in all the primary colors where I see they should go. So red, yellow, and blue are the primary colors. Now I wanted you to be aware of something, because a lot of times when we go to fill something in with colored pencil, we kind of revert back to our second grade way of doing it, and we want to fill something in quickly. We tend to push really hard. Okay, and that's nice and everything, but immediately, like even if you touch the paper behind it, you can feel that you just ruined the paper. You kind of blew away the tooth of the paper, and now like my paper can't take any more colored pencil. That's known as burnishing. Basically when you add more and more colored pencil until the paper can't take anymore, it can't absorb any more color. So we want to stay away from that because it's quite permanent. Now there's sometimes when we will want to burnish something, but for now, while we're just getting used to using colored pencils again, when you want to fill something in really well, like you can go ahead and put in a nice little smooth layer. Okay, and then see that's kind of light still. I can come in on top and add a little bit more without having to push so hard. And just by layering it, then I'll fill it in more. Okay. And I can keep going and going, okay? Now, what we'll work on right now is filling in our secondary colors and our tertiary colors. So our secondary colors are basic secondary colors that you've known since kindergarten that we kind of worked with up here, which is orange, purple, and green. Now, since we already have these as colored pencils, we can go ahead and use them to fill in these areas. Okay, and over here too, because we're filling in our secondary colors. Okay, I'll go ahead and do violet, purple, purple, violet, whatever you want to call it. This one over here. Okay, and green. I was looking for it and it's already in my hand. Okay, and there we go. Now, what we want to do is create our tertiary colors as well. And I like to refer to the tertiary colors as my grilled cheese sandwich colors, because when my family were eating like grilled cheese sandwiches when we were growing up, we could never tell whether the cheese was orange or yellow. And that's because it wasn't orange or yellow. It was both. It was yellow-orange. Okay. So we need to apply what we learned up here with mixing colors down here as well. So when we want to go make yellow-orange, yeah, we got to mix yellow and orange, but we need to start with a lighter color first, which means, that's right, we got to do yellow. So we need to put some yellow down, and I'm working up layers nice and slowly and evenly and lightly. That way I'm not burnishing the page yet. And it's as easy as that, okay? You really want to match colors though well. Make sure your yellow-orange looks yellow-orange. Let's do red-orange, okay? So red-orange, I'm going to mix red and orange, of course. And the lighter color, what's the lighter color? Lighter color, speaking to me, is orange. Okay, so I'm going down with some orange first. Nice, nice. And then some red on top of it. And what I'll do, I'll actually kind of eventually burnish this one. I will just keep working up in layers. And remember, I'm not going to push really hard with the red, otherwise I might totally block out all that orange I had going on there. See, there we go. We have a nice red-orange. Let me fill in this orange a little better so you can see the difference. There we go. Yeah, see, it's nice red-orange. Okay, go a little closer. See, nice, nice. Okay, you conveniently have a yellow-green, so if you just want to use your yellow-green here, that's fine. Okay, and that is pretty much it. For warm color, well, we'll finish these. You can do that on your own. Okay, finish those ones on your own. Now that you know the process, just always work from lighter color to darker color. And then, hey, warm colors. Warm colors, those are colors associated with fire and sunlight, things that are warm. Over here, these colors over here, okay? And then our cooler colors are going to be our colors associated with water and ice and nature and like nighttime and stuff. So those are going to be our colors over here. So I'm going to fill in my warm colors now, and my cool colors as well. And I invite you to do the same.